Look at that film. It's nice and smooth and it looks pretty good, doesn't it? At least I think so. Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here. I'm just a regular vlogger. And last week, disaster struck. I broke my main camera and I didn't know when I would be able to get a new one. But that's what credit cards are for, right? Anyway, I bought the new DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, and it's an unusual camera. I've had Pockets 1 through 4, and it was the 4 I broke, and now I've got the 4P. But you should know that you can't buy this camera in the US, and I had to find a seller online and I imported it in and I've got it. Now, just because you can't buy it here, there's a whole political thing going on between DJI and the US government. But while it's against the law for DJI to sell the camera in the US, it's not against the law to go out of the US, get the camera, bring it back in and use it. It's not against the law to use it. And there's been a lot, you can find videos all over the internet right now on the Insta360 Luna Ultra and the DJI 4P. And there are reasons to get each one, but I'm sort of a locked-in environment kind of guy. All my computer equipment is Apple. My phone's Apple, my tablet's Apple, my laptop's Apple, my desktop is Apple. And so once I get into a particular environment, I tend to stay there. And I've got, I've been with DJI for ever since the first Pocket. I've had Pocket 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I've got the 4P. And if you buy the Pocket 4P instead of the Luna Ultra, you stay within that environment. I wanted to try this new one. It's got a video, a telescope lens on it, and I'm just a guy. I just want to pull it out of my pocket and use it. You can find all kinds of videos on how to use it correctly. You can find all kinds of videos on why you should buy this instead of the Luna, or why you should buy the Luna instead of this. But I'm in the DJI environment and I got it. One of the things about staying in the DJI environment is that a lot of my accessories for my previous Pocket that broke works with this. Not all, but most. And I got the Creator combo because it's got a couple of things that the regular combo doesn't have. For instance, it's got this, and this is a remote control, and it's one of the reasons why people tell you to get the Luna. It's got a remote control, and this remote control allows me to sit here and I can zoom in and zoom out. I can stop recording and start recording again. I can move the gimbal from left to right. That's really good. I like that. And it's got that telephoto lens. Not only does it have the remote control, but it also comes with this. And this is the DJI Mic Mini 2, which you also can't buy in the US right now. So let's hope that everybody gets their thing together and gets it all sorted out, because there are people who want to use their products, and as far as I can tell, they're not doing anything wrong, but that's between them and the government. One of the places I really love to go year after year is the Oregon Country Fair, and I wanted to make sure I had a good camera for the Oregon Country Fair next week. So come back next week and you'll see the Country Fair. But I got this camera. Yesterday I took it out, I shot some stuff. I want to show you what I shot. You can decide for yourself. There'll be all kinds of short little clips in this one so you can see how it works just from the regular guy. not the guy who tells you what the settings are going to be. You can find lots of those. Not the guy that tells you why this camera is good for you or not. I'm going to just show you clips to help you make your decision solid or not so solid. It's up to you. Since this is different than my previous camera, I'm going to spend a little bit of time trying to figure out the best way this one works. So I went out yesterday and took some and realized that I hadn't set up all the right settings. So I've made some changes for today. Hopefully they are good enough. Tell me in the comments what you think. When I did do the filming yesterday out of the wrong settings, one of the things I realized right away is that I need to get some ND filters, which I've already ordered. Hopefully they'll be here before the next time I film for a vlog, which will be the Oregon Country Fair. So keep our fingers crossed, shall we? One of the things I'm really going to have to get used to is it handles and feels a lot different than the other pockets that I've had. And so I've got to get used to that too. So if you regular viewers can be patient while I'm learning how to use this, I'm pretty sure within a week or 3 I'll have it all down. I just want to be able to pull this out of my pocket and start filming. I don't do a whole lot of color grading. I do a little bit. Mostly my time is spent editing. So this will probably do it for me. So I wanted to give you a taste of what this film looks like on the new camera. And so I'm just going to show you some of the clips that I've gotten with it so far. This is the 4th of July weekend here in the US, celebrating 250 years, but I don't go anywhere on these busy weekends. I don't want to get out in that traffic. So I'm just gonna go to a spot here or there around the town here in Redmond and capture some things, and you can decide for yourself if you like the video this camera can do. Now, normally during the 4th of July celebration, there's a lot of flags, but there's also a lot of flags around Redmond here in other times of the year too. In fact, Redmond has been officially designated a flag city. It's also big on art. It has pieces of art all over town. In fact, each year it has a competition to see which piece of art will be selected for the city to buy, and they buy it after the contest is over, and then they put it up somewhere in the city. Right now there's multiple pieces vying for that. This is not one of them. This is a permanent piece. So that's what the video from this camera looks like in a variety of different things. And it's not everything, but you get a sense of how it is. Did you like what the camera was doing? Did it look okay? If so, comment down below. Did you not like it? Comment down below. Are you going to buy it or a different one? Comment down below. And next week, we've got the Oregon Country Fair, and you do not want to miss that. So we will see you next week.